RGB that slaps, speed that snaps. Corsair Vengeance DDR5 64GB RAM that'll roast the competition. Ready to ditch sluggish load times and weak sauce performance? Meet the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 64GB 6000MHz CL30, the RAM that doesn't just keep up, it laughs at the speed limits. Whether you're slaying frames in 4K, rendering god-tier content, or juggling a dozen Chrome tabs like a digital octopus, this memory brings the heat. With dual 32GB sticks clocking in at a sizzling 6000MHz, this beast is optimized for Intel DDR5 platforms and makes sure your multitasking is buttery smooth, even when the rest of your rig is gasping for breath. Why settle for average when your PC could look like it swallowed a mini-rave? The Vengeance RGB doesn't just glow, it puts on a full-blown 10-zone LED light show that'll hypnotize your whole setup. Each zone is individually addressable, customizable via CORSAIR iCUE, and encased in a panoramic light bar that screams, "I'm not basic." Whether you're building a stealthy black rig or something that glows like a unicorn's mixtape, this RAM will flex both in looks and performance. Forget RGB envy, this is the gold standard. When it comes to pure muscle, Vengeance DDR5 doesn't play around. With hand-sorted memory chips, onboard voltage regulation, and custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, it lets you overclock without popping a fuse. That means more performance per watt, more frames per second, and more power without needing a PhD in BIOS navigation. Editing, gaming, streaming, buffering? Say goodbye to lag, freeze, or bruh moments, this RAM does the job before you even finish the click. Don't let the premium look fool you, this isn't overpriced showboating. This RAM saves you money in the long run. How? Less system strain. Longer lifespan. More efficient multitasking. It's built with a custom PCB for signal clarity and topped with an aluminum heat spreader that cools like a polar bear in the server room. The result? You get higher performance with lower risk of system burnout. That's future-proofing with style, and without the future-proof price tag. Tech-tested, gamer-approved, creator-endorsed, this DDR5 RAM punches above its weight in every category. It's built for power users who don't want to babysit their hardware and delivers elite stability, aesthetics, and raw performance in one clean blacked-out package. If you're rocking an Intel DDR5 motherboard and not using Vengeance, what are you even doing? It's fast. It's flashy. It's the RAM your motherboard dreams about at night.